Okay, I want you to keep working on this one. So the slower speeds seem fine. Faster speeds, especially that last one, timing was a bit off. If you listen back to it, you can hear that by the time you got to the end, you were a full beat late. So you ended this on beat number 2 instead of beat number 1. So what happened was, like, some of those up strums shifted into the oncoming downbeat. So just be real careful with it when you're working on it still. When you get to a point where the strumming here or this guy feels challenging, you're like, man, that was tough, it's getting really hard to hear. What I want you to do is back off like 10 or 20 beats per minute. Go up in ones. Go up in ones from that point. And then still stay within the 10 to 15 minutes of practice. So you may not get crazy fast, but that should help you stay much more accurate, which is what we want. We want the accuracy. So yeah, work on this again for the week. Again, when you get up to a tempo where it starts feeling really difficult, back off 10 or 20 beats per minute, and then start going up in ones for the remainder of the practice session. Still staying within that 10 to 15 minute time limit. And I think I had something written wrong in the rhythm here. You played it correct, at least the intended way. I believe it's fixed now, because yeah, that's how it should be. Just the and 3 4 and 3 4 and. I got something goofed up in that bar. It's fixed now. All right, so let's get to this. I want to try something, another little new thing here we have not done yet. Kind of did with the triad chords you've played, but not with the strumming here. So something that can be used in metal, or the diads. So I want to try that this week, see how they feel for you, and then we can have a lot more variety in the chord progressions we do. But yeah. Adds a lot more, or adds different colors to what you play versus just doing power chords. So they're quite useful in creating stuff. Melodic bands use it every now and then. I think like when melodic death metal was taken off, that stuff was used more and more often. So anyway, that's what we're going to use here for the first half, and then second half we'll just do regular power chords, the 2-string version. And we got 2 rhythms happening here. Just kind of go back and forth between them. And all right, let's get into it. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Stop, say, you can use your ring finger for these or your pinky, kind of see which one you have more control over. That low B strings is, I want to say, like slippery feeling, so I might want to use my pinky instead of my ring finger for this. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 4, 1, 2, and 2, and 1, and 4, 1, 2, and 1, and 4, 1, 2, and if you find that doing the diads is just too much of a pain in the butt, too much trouble hearing both strings, it sounds like a big old mess, just flip it around to doing normal power chords. That's totally fine, because I want you to get the strumming down really well. And we can do other things to work on the diads if needed. All right, 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bad. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Theory work. So what you're going to do is one of those fill out the chord progression assignments. Top part of that is cut off. There we go. So yeah, starting on the low B string. So the same thing you did with, or we previously did with the, these shapes, moving them around. We're going to do that with these shapes. And yeah, so the idea is going from one chord to the next in a efficient manner, and add the mode names at the beginning as well. This way we just continue to repeat doing these things, and it makes it much easier to recall everything. And yeah, shift plus insert, that's what you want to hit in order to bring up that bonus text box. And I think that's it. Yeah, go ahead and send it over once you got it. I'll check it out. And any questions come up, let me know. I'll see you again in your new videos.